AREB stock analysis and AREB stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Looking at America Rebel Holdings, I see the price just melting, just double, bro. Just melting like crazy. I mean, I'm not even trying to be in a rush here, but like this thing is 33.5% down. It's absolute madness. Even my previous idea, like if you've been watching my videos, like I haven't made a video on AREB in such a long time, but I was bearish on it, you know, and guess what? That just kind of kept melting. First thing that I'm going to say is that my bias actually still has not changed. Even though, you know, it's again NASDAQ and we're 21 cents. So this better have like a crazy pump to reach $1, or, you know, have something like a reverse split upcoming like down the line. But yeah, for me here, if I see some increases and there's like a shift and like a double break, then I'm going to look to take things lower. But other than that, it's just, I'm not going to be rushing things whatsoever. So if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There is a lot of sauce.